The move field refactoring technique is used when we have a variable in one class that is actually more related to another class. By moving the field to the appropriate class, we can improve how our code is organized and structured. This technique helps us group related data and behavior together, making our code cleaner and easier to maintain. Hello guys, welcome again. The move field technique is an important part of refactoring. This technique is categorized under code moving in our refactoring techniques diagram. The move field technique helps improve our code by moving data fields to most appropriate class. In object-oriented programming, classes are important for storing data and behavior. But sometimes, the initial placement of data fields in a class isn't ideal as the program grows. This can lead to decreased code quality and maintainability. The move field technique offers a solution by allowing us to relocate data fields from one class to another. By doing this, we improve the organization and clarity of the program, making it more flexible, expandable, and easier to understand. Now, let's learn how to use the move field technique with a practical example. Imagine we have a customer management system with a class called customer. The customer class stores data like the customer's name, email, and address. But as time goes on, we realize that the address field is more related to the system's location functionality rather than the main responsibilities of the customer class. Okay, step 1. Identify the field. In our example, we recognize that the address field needs to be moved. It's no longer directly related to the responsibilities of the customer class. Step 2. Identify the target class. Now we determine where the address field should be moved to. Creating a new class called location makes sense, as it handles address-related functionality. This new class is closely related to the responsibilities of the address field. Step 3. Create accessor methods. Before moving the field, it's important to create appropriate accessor methods in both the source and target classes. These methods allow other parts of the system to access the field's value after the move. Step 4. Remove the field. Here, we modify the source class by removing the field declaration and replacing all references to it with calls to the accessor methods created earlier. By following these steps, we remove unnecessary connections between classes and make each class do its job better. This makes the system more flexible and easier to understand and work with. Okay, done. See you soon.